A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dear students of class 9th, today I am going to deliver you a class from your textbook science. Topic is matter around us pure. Subtopics are aqueous and non-aqueous solutions and types of solutions. What is an aqueous solution? A solution which is obtained by dissolving various substances in water is called an aqueous solution. For example, common salt dissolved in water. Number 2, sugar dissolved in water. Number 3, acetic acid dissolved in water. Here, in aqueous solutions, solute is either a solid or liquid or gas, but solvent is always water. Then second type is non-aqueous solutions. A solution which is obtained by dissolving various substances in liquids except water. For example, iodine dissolved in carbon tetrachloride, sulfur dissolved in carbon disulfide, sugar dissolved in alcohol. In non-aqueous solutions, substances, either solids or liquids or gases, are dissolved in liquids other than water. Then, types of solutions. There are 5 types of solutions on the basis of state of solute. Number 1, first type is solid in solid solution. Here you see, in this type of solution, a solid which is a solute is dissolved in a solvent which is also a solid. Examples are brass, which is an alloy made of zinc, which acts as a solute, dissolved in copper, which acts as a solvent. Then second type of solution is solid in liquid solution. For example, sharbat, in which sugar, which acts as a solute, is dissolved in water, which acts as a solvent. Then third type of solution is liquid in liquid solution. Here both are liquid, solvent as well as solute. Examples are vinegar, in which acetic acid acts as a solute, is dissolved in water, which acts as a solvent. Then fourth type of solutions is gas in liquid solution. For example, carbonated water. In carbonated water, carbon dioxide acts as a solute. It is dissolved in water, which acts as a solvent. Then fifth type of solution is gas in gas solution. Here, a gas is dissolved in another gas. Examples are air, in which oxygen, which is in lesser amount, acts as a solute. It is dissolved in nitrogen, which is present in air in more amount. Then metal alloy. Metal alloy, homogeneous mixture of two or more metals, is called an alloy or metal alloy. Examples are brass, which is an alloy of copper and zinc. Second example is stainless steel. It is an alloy of three metals: iron, chromium, and nickel. Then third example of metal alloy is bronze, which is an alloy of copper and tin. Thank you.